Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole. Your mobile blog is for toctown.com, and today I'm going to title this micro blog, I Changed My Mind. Pretty much, I'm going to be sewing this summer, at least getting used to my machine, which I'll have an update ready for you by the fall season. But in the meantime, I selected another McCall's pattern, which after looking at the details on the back and pretty much the notions that I would need, I decided to go ahead and make my decision on what I will be focusing on for planning in Pockets workshop. So to make a long post short, I'm going to be sewing the top and try and tackle the palazzo pants bottom, because as a dancer you're always going to need room to move as well as room to change. So therefore, let's say I have a leotard to change out of, then I can pretty much put this top on, which will be contrasting, and still do a video blog as well as continue on with my day. Now, mind you, with the palazzo pants, they're great for dancing, but not great for, let's say, you're doing studio work or office work. So pretty much I want to select maybe a longer top or, a different bottom to change out into for the day. So pretty much I'll have whatever I'm teaching or instructing in ready for the morning, afternoon, as well as, let's say I have a podcast to do in the evening, then I'll have something to change out into already set up that I know the pattern as well as how to fit it directly for my body, and possibly, other sizes below or above me. So pretty much I decided for that reason alone that I would switch out of the previous pattern into this one, because as far as longevity is concerned, I'm going to need to know more about how to do just a cover, for my top as well as a bottom, in addition to maybe having a belt or, a scarf to tie around just to change from evening to day wear, and also just, put a jacket on in case it's cooler outside. And I think this pattern will best suit me right now. Me, use what you have until you can have or get what you want. So pretty much I'm going to be reviewing M7483, and it comes in sizes 14 through 22. So depending upon my current measurements, I'm going to be using one of 5 measuring templates. So that's all I have for you right now. If you have any questions, of course, list them down below. I'm Nicole. Your mobile blog is for toctown.com, and today is I Changed My Mind Monday. Alrighty, take care.